Hello from Bugeye guys. This is a Bugeye we call Mahoney, and this one is in really nice shape. It's a nice old English white Bugeye with a red interior. It's just a striking car, good shape. It has these unique driving lights down below that seem like they're just waiting to hit a curb, but they've been here for a while and have not broken. It's entirely up to the new owner if they would like them removed. They're mounted on the front bumper fork, so that's easy. And same with all these badges. If you like them, they can stay. And if they don't, it's not, if you don't like them, it's not difficult to remove. But anyway, this is a solid car. There's really no issue with the body anywhere. The paint is really quite good. Stanchions are also nice, and the windshield frame is nice. The windshield rubber gasket's a little dried out, and we can certainly change that for the new owner. But you know, like with all these cars, it's up to you how much you want to spend and what bothers you. This is also a little chip in the glass, so potentially what we would do would be to cut out this dried rubber and change the glass altogether. So that's very doable. There's a dog in this car. It doesn't come with it, but he's waiting for us. Yeah, we haven't forgotten you. I wanted you to see how nice the tonneau is. It's a good tonneau, and it fits well. Hello. Hello, Star. Anyway, the red interior is in nice shape. We have this one anomaly here, which is that he put the heater switch up here, and the wiper switch here, and then the turn signals here. It's all working, but that's not how we would configure it. But again, it's entirely up to the new owner and how much they want to spend. If you want to have us fix this, it shouldn't be terribly expensive, and if it doesn't bother you, we just leave it. One more thing to leave is fine with me. Keeps the cost down a little bit. We have a nice Motorlita wheel and nice wooden shift knob. It's a Weber carburetor, a downdraft carburetor, and there's also an FM radio and cassette player and some speakers mounted here on the inner footwell, which are easy to remove as well, or you leave them be. These are also slightly larger seats from probably a later Sprite Midget, and they fit fine and they're in nice shape. The doors close well and the trim's in good shape. The body lines are good. We have one Helsinki sticker here. We never know with stickers if we should remove them, what might be hiding underneath, but there may be nothing under there. It's just a sticker, but sometimes the sticker is just a sticker. So there you have it. Nice shape though, the beating's in good shape. Anyway, this is a good car for somebody who wants a 948 powered car, just wants to noodle around the neighborhood, or doesn't need, you know, rapid acceleration on highway on-ramps. It's a solid car, good fun to drive, and will take you out on the road. Now, I see also this is not the right plinth gasket. This is the license plate light plinth, and there's a rubber gasket that goes between here. This one has a gap because it's not the right one. There's a gap on the other side. Totally a subtle detail, again, totally leavable. Or if you wanted it fixed, we remove this, we put the right gasket on, we disconnect the wires and feed them back through. Not a huge deal. And a nice British plate here as well. Good bumpers here. You know, these are the kinds of things. This rubber is perishing all the time now. The rubber isn't what it used to be, of course. This one's okay, but easy for us to change. And these are the kinds of things that we're doing all the time for our customers once the cars have been sold. So let's go for a drive with Bodie. One other thing I will point out, I think the steering wheel is one tooth off. So it's about like that when it's straight, a little bit to the left, I think. And also something that we can fix pretty easily, and also pretty common, I might say, when we get these cars in. So Bodie and I will take you for a drive in the next little video, and thanks for checking this out here at Bugeye Guys.